Eh. Bless him, man. Confident little guy. Look at them all. Oh. Them two there. Oh, they're all at it. What are you saying? Literally, look. Oh. Bloody hell, they're all at it. It's probably because I'm stood here. They're thinking, look, they're calling over there, like, get away from the fence. Strange human there. Dog's over there, look, Sky. Sky! Good girl. You just lot love sheep, so here you go. Look at this for a sheep vid. It's jokes. They are cute though still, man. It's just mad the amount of people that have liked all these videos and viewed them, so I've got to do this for all the sheep lovers and lamb lovers. Quality.